MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks.
A 2019 Kenworth T880 is for sale at MHC Denver. A 510 horsepower non-sleeper with all disc brakes, dual chrome stacks, a chrome visor, leather driver's seat with 12K fronts, 40K rears, a 220-inch wheelbase, and a 3.42 rear ratio. You've got 22.5 standards all around with polished aluminum wheels. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13. Your interior, it looks fantastic after our detail job. If you want this truck, a 2019 Kenworth T880, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.